attention and listen, I hope you hearing me. Gotta know the future's really in cybersecurity. You needing a career for real that's life-changing. It's time to join the real Cyber Nation. Yeah, everything you want, got the info on a Discord platform. Let's develop your skills and advance your career. True indeed, everything you need's all right here. Let's go. The real Cyber Doctor.
Now listen very carefully. The Real Cyber Nation is a platform, an invite-only platform I created for serious-minded individuals, highly motivated people. If you're not serious, if you are not motivated, do not text me, do not message me, because this platform has been created for people that are ready to change their lives. Now look carefully. Read my lips as I say this. I'm going to make sure that every motivated individual, the keyword is motivated, that joins the Real Cyber Nation will acquire genuine cybersecurity skills, become a successful cybersecurity professional, and secure a life-changing job opportunity. Read my lips, because it's time to change the narrative. It's time to change your culture. When I started 11 years ago, I spent 16 hours every day on cybersecurity, studying, practicing what I studied, meeting people, networking, 16 hours every day. Now, the normal time for working, the standard time is 8 hours. So in the last 11 years, technically, I've doubled my experience by doing overtime. So I really don't have 11 years. I have 22 years at the back of 11 years. Yes, you could double your experience by doing overtime, but you can't do that if you are comfortable where you are. Please do not message me if you just want to explore, if you're not sure. This platform, the Real Cyber Nation, is not for people that are not sure. It's for people who are ready to go the distance. Are you ready to go the distance? Send me a message now, and I'll give you the criteria to join. See you on the other side.
Pay attention and listen, I hope you hearing me. Gotta know the future's really in cybersecurity. You needing a career for real that's life-changing. It's time to join the Real Cyber Nation. Yeah, everything you want, got the info on a Discord platform. Let's develop your skills and advance your career. True indeed, everything you need's all right here. Let's go. The Real Cyber Doctor.